So go the key, I'll get lucky. 진심이면 everything's gonna be okay. 어떻게 벌써 왔나봐. 잠시만 기다려줄래요. 혼자 있을 때 훅 들어와. 정신없이 날 흔들어놔. 지금이 딱 널 위한 showtime. Making your same day.
Caring. Inside this community.
We constructed fake resumes, over 6,000, and 1/3 indicated that the applicant had a spinal cord injury, 1/3 indicated they had Asperger's syndrome, and 1/3 did not disclose a disability. And this was in the cover letters, not in the resumes. All the resumes were identical. And do you want to take it?
Yeah, so we just wanted to explore whether job applicants with disabilities received fewer expressions of employer interest than those without disabilities.
And
what we found was fairly interesting. 26% of people with disabilities, or applicants, received fewer expressions of employer interest than those without disabilities. And our applicants who had high experience were the ones that didn't get a call back. And this was mostly centralized around small-sized firms.
Right.
how does this research differ from previous research on disability employment?
Well, there have been surveys asking employers about their attitudes and behavior towards job applicants and employees with disabilities. But you always have to worry there that something called social desirability bias, where they're telling you what they think you want to hear. And this way, by actually sending out resumes, you eliminate that problem.
It's reminiscent of a famous research study done years ago now that with the identical resumes,
yes.
but one had a black-sounding name, whatever that
yes.
means, and the result was that those people got fewer callbacks.